Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Infiniti QX60 garage door opener. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely outside your garage. You'll need your original garage door opener remote. We'll cover the simple steps to link your remote to your car's home link system. This process is straightforward and will save you time daily. Let's get started with the initial setup. Before programming, it's a good idea to clear any existing codes. To do this, press and hold the two outer home link buttons on your Infiniti QX60 simultaneously. Keep holding them until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This usually takes about 20 seconds. Releasing the buttons confirms that all previous programming has been erased, preparing your system for a fresh start. Now, let's program your new remote. Hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button in your QX60 and the transmit button on your original remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This indicates successful programming for fixed code systems. If your garage door has a rolling code system, there's one more step. After the previous step, go to your garage door opener motor and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press this button once. You then have about 30 seconds to return to your Infiniti. Inside the car, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. This final action synchronizes your vehicle with the rolling code system.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.